Hey, it's me. It's a steaming bean coming at you from the north. Hey, had a not the greatest time on the scale this morning. I'm up since my last weigh in, and I'm trying to figure out where did I go. Where did I go wrong? And I'm thinking, okay, yesterday was a good day. I followed the UN program. Monday was a travel day. And that's the day I went out to Flin Flon, picked up supplies, and had an appointment, then returned. And that's a total of over 5 hours driving. And when I was in Flin Flon, I ate out at a restaurant. Then I had dinner at the grocery store. Dinner consisted of fried chicken, three-piece fried chicken, potato wedges, and creamy coleslaw. So that's a bit of a no-brainer, right? Also, the big mistake I made was when I went to Flin Flon, I did not have my wasn't drinking enough water because I was on the road, and so I'm thinking, okay, these Flin Flon trips, they're necessary. These are trips I need to go out, get my groceries done, cars serviced, etc. So I'm thinking, okay, what can I do? Prepackaged foods is one. Prepackaged foods, bring some containers with me, fill up with prepackaged foods. Next step is a no-brainer. Bring bottled water. So it is what it is. So anyways, onwards and upwards. I'm not going to let this weight gain get to me. I'm just going to continue on and hey, sometimes life is a battle. Actually, all the time life is a battle. But anyways, I'm not going to let it get the best of me. All right, folks, if you have an issue, grab a tissue.